ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ má wo ọláìyá níran o ẹ má wo igwe níran o ó tún ti sọ mí o ó lélẹ̀ tó ń lọ bọ́ra sí òwò létí òkun ó ní ṣe bí ìdí lásán lẹ́rí ẹ̀ tí rí wájú ó lélẹ̀ tó sì máa ṣe nísìn ó ló máa bà yín lẹ́rù gbogbo ara ńlẹ̀ máa rí ẹ̀yin òṣèré tíátà ẹ tètè pé àkíyèsí mánì yìí eléyìí ò kìí ṣe pé èèyàn nífẹ̀ẹ́ èèyàn ẹ̀yin ọmọ ọláìyá igwe ẹgbẹ́ ọláìyá igwe eléyìí tó wì ó ti wá kọjá ẹ̀ báyìí ọ̀rọ̀ ọláìyá ò sí ojú lásán mọ́ o ẹ má jẹ́ kí bàbá yín jáwọ́ jà o ẹ má jẹ́ ó jáwọ́ jà o ó tún fẹ́ bọ́ mi eléyìí tó ṣe yìí ṣé torí pé go viral yẹn ó tún lóun fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan míì kò ronú àtúbọ̀tán kò ronú pé nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí ó sì máa wà lórí social media títí láíláí ọláìyá ti gbàgbé ọmọ tó bí páwọn ọmọ tó jọkùnrin máa ní ìyàwó àwọn ìyàwó ọmọ máa rí òwò bàbá wọn nítorí àtẹnujẹ torí pé kí Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu lè wọlé ó lè jú rẹ̀ sínú àwẹ̀ biribiri 20 years ó lè finú ara rẹ̀ sínú àwẹ̀ biribiri bí oṣù bí mẹ́fà tàbí oṣù bí mẹ́rin ó sì kò tún mélòó kan tí wọ́n dìbò sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ sínú àwẹ̀ biribiri kó fi dìgbà náà ó tún bọ́ sí ẹ mọ́ ọláìyá so ẹ mú ọláìyá so ẹ mú ọláìyá so mò ń sọ tèmi ó tún ti sọ mí ó tún ti ju bọ́ǹbù mi lẹ̀ olóhùn ó ní ìtẹ́ ń bọ̀ wá rí ó ní yóò kọjá dáadáa ó lélẹ̀ tẹ̀sí rí kékeré ni o ṣé Facebook kò ní laná báyìí gbà tẹ́ bá rí mi ìwọ náà.
Thanks for staying with us. Veteran Nollywood Yoruba actor Lukman Ebun Oloyede, popularly known as Olaiya Igwe, has taken his support and advocacy for the emergence of the presidential candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, in 2023 presidential election to another whole dimension when he went naked at the beach to pray for him. Joining us on the show is the man himself, Mr. Lukman Ebun Oloyede. Welcome to the show, sir.
Oh, good morning. Good morning.
Good to have you on the show. So you broke the internet this weekend. Everybody was like, what is going on? Wait, Baba Agbalagba.
They turned it to that.
Exactly.
I don't have that in mind.
Tell us exactly what it was about.
Well, I thank God for giving me the opportunity to be on this program.
Okay.
I am here to tender my explanation. I am not here to tender any apology. But I want people to know the reason why I did what I did. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Asiwaju, has done a lot in my life. And I've repeatedly said it on some of my interviews. I don't want to waste much of my time to repeat it again, but I will go straight to what I did last 4 days ago, the reason why I did it. I was asked to stand up and to go and do it spiritually. I slept. I am I have a gift of revelation by Almighty God. At times, I see what God plans for me ahead before it happened.
Okay.
I was sleeping that day, and the voice came to me and said, please stand up. You said you love Asiwaju and he has been assisting you. I said, yes. Stand up, go and do this for him. I am an artist or a beat politician. But professionally, I am an artist.
Right.
And I said, okay. As an artist, I can do it, but I should think about my immediate family.
Right.
But I want to tell you something. I can do anything to support Asiwaju. As long as I believe this thing has nothing to do with any other person,
right,
I can do it to any length.
Let me get a few more questions in from you, because I know the ladies have a few questions for you.
Yes. So, I know that people who are really spiritual, they use different things to pray. We see women wake up in the middle of the night to pray for their children. So this just shows me that there's a strong support. You really have a strong feeling towards your principal and you really want to see him succeed. But my worry is, how did he get into the internet? Were you doing it and you had someone who was posting, recording you or something?
Much. Thank you. If you are a Yoruba, Babalawo can say, okay, if you want to do this prayer, make sure you go to various markets. On a market day, carry a bow. And a lot of people will be there.
Yeah.
There's no difference of doing that to what I did. I deliberately recorded that event.
Oh.
I deliberately, for people to see.
Okay.
It is not because of money.
Deliberate.
Okay. Yeah, because, it was an intentional that I should do that because I listened to
the voice.
The
and then you posted it yourself?
Me, of course.
Oh.
Okay.
I did it.
That video showed that, you did it deliberately.
Deliberately.
Obviously.
And I have no cause to regret.
It showed a lot of work. Now, the issue of regret is subject because it could have been, it seems counterproductive. You edited it and put the lighting effects in the video. Did you think after the video that, this could be counterproductive, or has it been productive to you?
No, it can't. And I will tell you why. Firstly, when I was in university recently, they taught to us one subject, they call it individual differences under mass communication. As soon as I'm doing what I'm doing and I believe that thing cannot affect any other person,
right,
I think I have freedom of that. Yeah. So, Asiwaju Ahmed Tinubu is a big fish in my life.
In the lives of many.
I don't know yours. But in
the lives of many.
God bless you, my sister. It's a big fish in my life. And I know that it's going to be the president of this great nation very soon.
Okay, so let me come in at that point, because people were commenting under the lots of, oh, you broke the internet. It's not small. And the comments were like, oh, he's trying to be relevant. He wants people to know that he did something. If they say you should go and do it, do you need to let everybody know that you did it? But if you don't let people know, you will not get any appointment that comes in time when things are coming in, that it is a commercial game. Everybody is trying to be relevant. And you've already said that this is a personal decision and you have a freedom to do what you want to do. But you must also realize that you are a role model. Everybody, majority of the Yorubas, and I'm sure even non-Yorubas, grew up watching you. And to see a video like that, it be sending mixed messages. Some people got different messages. Some people watched that video and they got, you can hear a voice and the voice will say you should go and pray naked, and you should go and pray naked. That it's acceptable. Some people got the fact that I want to be politically relevant. I want this Asiwaju Bola Ahmed to know that I am in the...
I work for him.
I work for him.
Thank you. Not because of that, my sister. I've been mentioning Asiwaju Ahmed Tinubu. I've been telling people what he has been doing in my life since, not because of the election period, not because of that at all. Now, whatever they thought, my decision is my decision. I did it deliberately to support Asiwaju. It's a program.
Did you have to be naked though?
No. I need to.
That's the instruction.
For that instruction, I need to.
But my question is...
But I did not show my toto or whatever.
Yeah.
I show my back.
Right.
Then you made mention of one thing. You said role model. That word model. Some model will naked and display for people to say that they are model. Yeah. I am a theater person. I did not show what people expect to see. Right. I did not show that. I show my back. And the camera did not pick that in. Right. So I thank God for that. So that is the reason why they are saying people are annoying because of this particular election.
Well, would you say...
Some people that are talking are from other party.
But would you say...
Believe that. And some agitators of Yoruba, whatever, or whatever.
Some will say you're doing it out of fear that Asiwaju might lose. Is it like, so he doesn't lose, so let me go and... Is it like somebody woke you up, this man will lose the election, so you have to go and do this ritual.
God will not send me what... God will never send me what will not work. Believe me, today, Asiwaju is going to be the president of Nigeria very soon. You will see.
What has the feedback been like from the Ashwajo's team since the release of the video?
Yeah, has there been any feedback?
Have they reached out to you? Has anybody
called
said
you?
I'm so sorry. I am not here to tell you all those things.
No, okay.
It's a personal thing to me.
Okay.
Can
When
we
you
please
say
go?
personal, see, when I was preparing for this, when I heard that you're coming, I was thinking to myself, and I said, I was trying to see where you're coming from, because my job is always to look at all the three sides. And you know, when you say your video that you felt like it was like you owed him, this is something he has done, and I'm saying, and just like Nima said, we're all in that shoe, because even I can tell you that Ashwaju has done enough in my own life.
Yes.
Even my father was sick. When he was practically abandoned by almost everybody, after he had a stroke, many people abandoned my father. Ashwaju took care of my dad, made sure my mother was okay, did a lot for my family. So when you say you feel like you owe, I understand that sentiment. I feel that payback temple I'm saying, I understand it because I understand I'm coming from that shoe. But will I go to the extent to go naked to prove that?
Or is this the best?
Is that the best way to show this man the gratitude, which many say that's payback temple? So that's the question.
You've mentioned your own experience. And earlier, I have said I taught about one subject when I was in university.
Yes.
That's individual differences. What you cannot do does not say I cannot do it. My own, Ashwaju can be described as a product. I am a marketer. I can advertise, or even spiritually or physically, I can sell my product the way I want it. I can go at length to support Ashwaju in any
Okay.
form.
Are you a Muslim or a Christian?
You want me to tell you the truth? I'm an allergic.
Let me drink water on this one.
I am. My name,
What does that mean?
my names are Alhaji Lukman Ebuoloyede.
So what does that mean?
That's
Muslim.
It means I'm a Muslim.
Okay,
Now, Muslim did not permit that.
okay, just make sure.
Muslim did not permit that.
Okay.
But forget about the religion this time around.
Okay.
I heard
You went
voice.
traditional.
Not traditional. Don't
okay.
put me
Spiritual.
where I don't. Yeah. I had a voice.
Voice.
That's what I told you. You put the religion aside.
So sometimes you hear things that you feel convincingly about. You know, a lot of people, I see a lot of people stand up for Ashwaju. MC Olomo has led million matches, used his machinery continuously because he owes him a lot.
We did it together. He's my brother.
So I've thought you'd run this through someone. Did you run it through anyone that this voice I have heard, or did you just single-handedly take the decision?
Thank you very much. I single-handedly take my own decision. I took it and I did it myself. I did not discuss with any other person.
It's only yours.
Yes. And let me quickly tell you, some people are doing this kind of a thing by giving them money. I don't do it because of money. I am doing it on merit. What Ashwaju have done? Ashwaju holds my soul. The Almighty God used Ashwaju and Dapo Abiodun when I first sick. Ashwaju and Dapo Abiodun and MC Oluomo, he used them to hold my soul. And we are talking about the body. What is in the body? Somebody that holds my soul, that I should not go, I should not die young. And you think I cannot do anything for that person?
Okay.
So I am in support of Ashwaju.